So guys, today we are going to make a ninja blade from a paper. Let's start. First, take two papers like this and fold it like this. And fold it like this as shown. I will tell you something about a ninja blade. A ninja blade is like a special sword that ninjas, who were sneaky warriors from Japan, used a long time ago. Some people think it looked different with hidden parts, but we're not sure. Ninjas also had cool weapons like throwing stars and chains with hooks on the end. These tools helped them do secret missions and protect themselves. Ninja blade has been completed. Comment, how is it? Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.